I know we've never seen this before. Anywhere else. It's a completely original idea.
Surprise, no more. It's here. I'm just so excited to show you this today. It was a lot of work, and I put a lot of heart and soul into this one. We are authors now. Fermenting Flavor, our new book. The only wine book with scan codes to watch the videos. Today is a celebration. It is a special day because Laura and I wrote a book. It's called Fermenting Flavor, and it was suggested by a lot of you. Why don't I have all my recipes in one location? Well, now I do. But there's a lot of special features in this book, and that's what I want to show you in this video.
Todd has actually written a book with a little bit of help from me, and I'm very impressed.
This is a celebration because we've been working on a project for how long?
A long time.
Months.
Long time. Mostly you.
Mostly me, maybe. It's called Fermenting Flavors, crafting award-winning wines, because you know we've won awards on these recipes. It got first place. Are we proud of that?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
First place.
There was a lot of wine there.
So many of you have asked us, why don't we have a book? Well, we finally listened to you, and it's finally done. It's finally out on our Amazon store. There's so many features to this book. That's why I wanted to do this video, because I want to show you the exciting news inside this. Now, hopefully you saw on the front cover of my book, it says videos included. What does that mean? In this book, I got QR scan codes that you can scan from your phone and follow along in certain chapters. This is the video I've been waiting a couple of years to do for you. You can hit the scan code on your phone, and you can actually watch the video the same time you are reading this book. There's these QR codes throughout the book, so if you get stuck on something, scan the code and you can watch the video. I don't know of any other book that has done that, especially a wine book. We got it all in this thing. Another great feature of this book is the recipes in here. This was for my subscribers. You can see, here's the US recipe for an apple jalapeno wine. And if you flip to the opposite side, there's the metric version of the recipe. That's for all my international subscribers. I know you asked for this, and I got most of my recipes that are on my channel in here, but there's some bonus recipes. I got a lot more recipes in there than just the ones you've seen on the channel, so you want to make sure you're checking them out. And I also got the recipes for 1, 3, and 5 gallon batches. Those are your most common included. And one thing about all my recipes being in one location, all in this book, is you don't have to go to the description of the YouTube video to see it, even though I have them in there. This is just going to make it so much easier to just follow along when you're maybe making your recipe.
Trying to think of what kind of hint I can give without giving it away. We get lots and lots and lots of questions on the channel.
We can't say that. Now, one of my favorite things in this book is this question and answer. These are all the questions, my most common questions I've ever gotten on our YouTube channel. I put all the answers in the book. So a lot of these questions come from you, my subscribers. So thank you for participating in the book, even though you may not know it. You might see a question that you asked in there, and it's part of this Fermenting Flavor. Now, one thing about this book, it comes in 2 different versions. You've got the paperback, which I'm showing you here. It's also available on Kindle if you have a Kindle book. And, you know, again, that's going to be great for following along for the recipe. But another great thing here is this is on Amazon all across the world. Every Amazon out there, they got an Amazon in the UK and Canada. Everyone will have my book in it. I hope you can get it wherever you're at. I hope you all can get a copy in the country if you want it. It is a great book. I put a lot of heart and soul on this, so please pick it up. It's a way to support our channel. It's just a unique book with the QR codes and the metric conversions. Again, I put a lot of time in this, and I did it all for for my subscribers that have been asking for this, and everybody else that wants to see it. And I just do want to, I do want to do a shout out to my mom, because she really is the person that inspired me to write this book, because she's 85 years old and she wrote a book on her own. And believe it or not, this is a lot of about my life growing up and how she survived with living with somebody that was addicted to alcohol. So again, a lot of my stories in there. Thank you, Mom. There's her picture on the back. Her book is called A Lifetime of Love and Addiction. And again, it's about alcoholism. I didn't go down that path. I've learned not to go down that way. I believe they are two different, totally opposites. I'm making wine, and that one's about addiction, alcohol addiction. Thank you, Mom. This will also be in my book section on my Amazon store. You can pick up both of them. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this review of my new book. I hope you go out and buy it, because you're going to pick up a lot of new things. If you're a beginner winemaker, you're going to love it. But even my most experienced winemakers are going to find something that they didn't know in this book. I'm very proud of it, and I couldn't have done it without all of you watching our channel. So again, from me and Laura, thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you get it, because it's going to be a great addition to your library. Scan away.